Hey there, cheeky monsters! Do you want to learn all about colours? Then keep on watching!
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters!
Hey, Glitter! Do you out there know your colours? If not, don't worry because Glitter is a colour expert, aren't you, Glitter? Will you help us today? Ah, thanks, Glitter. Why don't you say them all with me? What colour do we have first, Glitter? Red! Red! Orange! Orange! Yellow! Yellow! Green! Green! Blue! Blue! Purple! Purple! Pink! Pink! Brown! Brown! Black! Black! White! White! Grey! Grey! Great work, cheeky monsters! Didn't they do amazing, Glitter? Why don't we try it again? Join in with me, cheeky monsters! Red! Red! Orange! Orange! Yellow! Yellow! Green! Green! Blue! Blue! Purple! Purple! Pink! Pink! Brown! Brown! Black! Black! White! White! Grey! Grey! Hey, why don't we try it again? But this time a little speedier. Here we go! Red! Orange! Yellow! Green! Blue! Purple! Pink! Brown! Black! White! Grey! Wow! Amazing work, cheeky monsters! Okay, now let's see what we can remember. Do you out there remember what this colour is? That's right! It's blue! Just like cheeky monster Rocky. Okay then, how about this one? Well done, cheeky monsters! It was orange, just like cheeky monster Spike. Let's try another. Green, just like cheeky monster Drago. You got it right again. Well done, everyone. Hey, Glitter, why don't we get the rest of the cheeky monsters in to help us too? What do you think? It's cheeky monster Spike. He's famous for his cheeky spikes. But what colour are they? Are they purple, green or brown? What do you think, cheeky monsters? Let's see if you got it right. That's right! They are purple! Did you get it correct out there? Well done! What's next, Glitter? Rocky has such a cheeky, sticky out tongue. But what colour is it? Is it pink, green or orange? Can you guess? Let's find out if you got it right. The answer was green. Great job, everyone. What's next, Glitter? It's cheeky monster Drago. She's super smart and always wears her science glasses. Can you remember what colour they are? Are they black, red or yellow? Let's find out if you got it right. You guessed it! Drago's glasses are yellow. Brilliant, everyone. Now, what's next, Glitter? It's cheeky monster Violet. She loves to dance and sing with her wand. But can you out there remember what colour Violet's wand is? Is it white, yellow or pink? Let's find out if you got it right. It was yellow again. Oh, that was a tricky one. Time for the last one. Why don't you show us, Glitter? Rocky is always zooming around in his racing car. But can you remember what colour his car is? Is it grey, blue or red? Let's find out if you got it right. Rocky's car is red. Did you get it right? Well done, cheeky monsters. And thanks, Glitter, for helping us.
We're all cheeky monsters.
If you want to see more cheeky learning with our monsters, why not check out our channel and click subscribe? And remember, everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you? Goodbye!